Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Thursday. Today for our morning bid, we're going to build our name again using Play-Doh. Now, if you don't have your Play-Doh name mat, that is totally fine. I'm going to actually show you how to do it without your Play-Doh name mat. So I'm rolling some Play-Doh, rolling out my Play-Doh, rolling, rolling, rolling. I'm going to pinch off a piece. And then I think that'd be a really big piece. So I'm going to pinch off a little more. Okay, so without using my Play-Doh name mat, you can just do it like this. So I have a P. Okay. I'm going to roll again. And I'm going to make an A. Okay. Make my A, and then I'm going to go on and build the rest of my letters. Now, if you have your Play-Doh name mat, you can just build on your Play-Doh name mat. If you don't have it, again, you can just roll out the letters to build your name. All right, boys and girls, I will see you very soon.